Hello, I'm here enjoying my new operating system, Linux Mint version 22.2 Mate Desktop. Recently I found a ROM hack that was released in 2010 and it's really excellent. It's Yoshi and Sonic the Hedgehog 2. The reason it's so good is because it combines two characters from different universes that you would never see in real life. Now, I found this really cool feature on floating IPS called Create Patch. When you click this, it asks you to select the original unmodified file, which in this case would be Sonic the Hedgehog 2 World Revision B, and in the modified file, Yoshi and Sonic the Hedgehog. When I click this, it's going to ask me where to output the patch, and I'm just going to say test.bps because I already have a patch. This is really amazing because I've already got a link in the description so I can distribute this since it's a IPS patch because, as you all know, I don't link to ROMs on my YouTube channel. I forgot to mention the reason that I had to make an IPS or BPS patch for this is because this is one of those strange ROM hacks that never had a home. It was released in 2010 and you can find websites that reference it, but you will not find a patch. I believe it was only released in ROM form. So that's why I had to reverse engineer it so I can put up a link. Anyway, I want to check this out. This has a lot of the same mechanics as Yoshi's Island. And I'm going to be making another video really soon that details how exactly to set up a controller on RetroArch when there's no controller profile. And you get everything to work. The D-pad, the analog stick, everything. So, same mechanics. But no spin dash, unfortunately. Still, he is actually very fast. He can run super fast for not having a spin dash. I'm so glad there's no crying baby sound. Oh yes! Oh, these are awesome. Touch fuzzy, get dizzy. Ah! Those bees are annoying. There's the trippy ending. Thank you for watching this video. I think this is one of the coolest ROM hacks I've ever seen. I'll see you guys soon.